Alright, hey guys, we are back with another video, and today we got this smartphone from BLU. It's a G9. It's a budget smartphone. Its specs are pretty good though for the price, and it costs about $240 before tax. Yeah, you can find a link in the description below to the product itself on Amazon.ca. But yeah, let's get started. So here's a little box. They have this little plastic covering all around it. We're gonna get rid of that right now. There we go. Yeah, so I'll show you guys around the box real quick, and then we'll get to the back where all the specs, or most of the specs, are listed. Sorry about that. Alright, so at the top right here, you can see that it says it's 52 megapixels, which is huge. It's insane how big it is. But yeah, it's 6.3 inch display. It's only at 720p, but yeah, it's a longer display, so it's bigger. Premium metallic finish. Yeah, the CPU, I believe, 2.0 gigahertz, 64 bits, 64 gigabits of storage, 4 gigabits of RAM, dual camera, okay, with super zoom, 13 megapixel selfie camera, fingerprint sensor, micro SD up to 128 gigs, 4G LTE, and 4,000 milliamps, and Android 9. It's pretty good, especially for 240. So yeah, and for some reason the case reminds me of the Samsung cases. You know how they have just like the S8 or the S9. It's quite similar. Or yeah. Anyways, let's get this opened. Yeah, there we go. Let's put that away. The phone is right here in front of us. It's octa-core as well. I did not know that. Let's put this away for now. They got this sort of velvet material on top. Very nice. Okay, let's put that away. And over here, there's some headphones. They look very similar to Apple headphones, but they're not. But yeah, they look quite nice. But okay, put that away. Ooh. Okay, so this is the little charging cable they have. It looks very unique compared to their other devices' charging cables. It's pretty nice. Alright, and then we have the SIM eject tool. And there was some, I guess the charging cable was supposed to be inside here. Or maybe the charging brick, I don't know, maybe it slid out. But yeah, it also comes with this charger right here. And yeah, I don't think the watt is listed. Yeah, it's not listed, whatever. Put that away. Some silica gel, put that away as well. Oh, it also comes with a sticker, which is pretty nice. Sorry about that. The GoPro screen just turns off after a couple of seconds, so I have to keep tapping. But yeah, so over here it tells you that you can install your micro SD card and your SIM card. And we got another instruction, quick guide. There's an image of the phone right there. It's pretty nice. It's in French and in English. It seems to be, I think, at least. Alright, I don't know. Okay, and yeah, that seems to be about it. Oh, never mind. It also comes with a screen protector. It's pretty nice right there. Look at that. It's amazing. Alright. And it also comes with a case. This is just a plain see-through case. Nothing special. Very flimsy. But yeah. So this is empty right now. I'll put on the screen protector later. But yeah, so let's get to the phone now. Here it is. So, oh, something fell off. Some information about it, whatever. It's not too important right now. But yeah, here it is. Let's take off the side. There we go. There we go. Wow. Looks very nice. Wow. It is quite a big display. And the back. There we go. There's one little piece stuck on the camera, but there it is. Looks very simple in the back. Looks very nice. It's got that little blue logo right there. Also right there. This one I believe is new. I haven't seen that on many of their products. It's only recently that it's been coming up. There's a fingerprint sensor as well. The flash. And yeah. I'm gonna quickly put the case on it. Yeah, it's not very high quality, but it works. All right, let's turn it up. Or turn it on, I mean, what am I? Ooh. All right, so I finally put in my information, and yeah, I also put in my, or I set up my fingerprint reader. So we're just gonna quickly do that. It actually takes a little bit long. Once you put your finger on it, it vibrates. And then after a couple, wait, what? Yeah, there we go. So you put it on, it vibrates, and then after a second, it turns on. So it's not very fast, but as you can see, yeah, it's not too fast, but you know, it's good enough for the price. Also, the camera is not very good, even though it is 52 megapixels. Like shots like this, like very close up, they look quite nice, but things that are far away, they get very blurry and they don't appear very clear. I got a pair of scissors right there. It looks very nice from this angle. Let me show you. Okay, once we zoom in, it's not too good, but that's to be expected. But it also has this 52 megapixels mode. I'm not exactly sure what that means. I mean, I know it means, but it's 52 megapixels. But I had assumed the photos is also 52 megapixels, but I guess not. But yeah, close-up pictures, it's very stunning. But far away things, it's not too good. Yeah, aside from that, the performance is alright, but you know, it's not like it's a Snapdragon 855 or 845, so it's not extremely fast. But yeah, if you guys have any questions about this product, please leave it down below. And yeah, check out the product also in the description below, and see you in the next video. Bye.